Hey guys, today is Sunday and we are going to Windup Watch Fair Chicago. I went there last year and this year they're doing another one in Chicago. This is my friend's car. Oh, Toyota Cressida. Gaijin. And I'm wearing long jeans Hydro Conquest. Alright, let's go. Alright, we are almost there. Alright, we're gonna walk for a little bit. I'm not gonna carry this whole bag to the venue. Oh, we actually found a few notes on the way. Yeah, I have notes from them. I was like a warehouse. This? I'll get this real quick. All right. Thank you. Okay, so now we are at the Windup Watch Fair Chicago 2026. Let's walk through this venue and check out a few cool watches, vendors, and see what we can find. So here we have Citizen, one of the Japanese watch brands. I was kind of hoping to see more Seiko or maybe a Casio. I think Citizen is cool too. I like Seiko and Casio a little more. Like the small ones. They have this like a small watch that almost feels like a bracelet for a female. It's like a female watch, I believe. They're cool. My girlfriend kind of liked it, so maybe I'll buy her one, maybe eventually. Here we have Watch Strap Manufacturing Company. Sorry about my camera angle. I wasn't paying attention to my camera too much. I should have shown me this strap. It's really cool. Here, like use Apple Watch. I would love to use these watch strap or small watches too. That works. And here we have a booth for eBay live, and looks like they were doing some auction, like watch auction, and it looks like you can join that over your phone. I saw some people with the eBay bag. I think they bought those watches there. And this is like a main hall. That's kind of nice. I can do whatever I want. And just too many watch companies to cover, so I couldn't get all of them. But my main focus this time is to check out Hamilton and Oak and Oscar. As you guys might know, Hamilton is the still kind of classic American field watches, even though they're not American like owned company anymore. It seems like it's still like staple for one of the field watch you might want to have in your collection. And I'm checking out these companies. They're all really cool. I like them. I really enjoyed checking out these stuff. And Oak and Oscar, which we'll see in a second, it's a Chicago-based watchmakers. I believe they still outsource the production overseas, like Switzerland or somewhere in Europe. But I like them. Yeah, these are really nice too. Nice watches. And here we have Oak and Oscar. Let's see if he can get closer. The watch, I like the one in the with the white dial. They seem like kind of mix of field watch and like a like a dress watch. I like the style of it. Looks kind of like a titanium, but it is a stainless steel, which I prefer because I like my watch heavy. And titanium is cool, 'cause it's light, but I heard they're easier to get scratched. Yeah, check this out. This white dial one, it's really cool. You can choose the color of the dial, I think, so I might get navy if I were to get one of those watches. They're not cheap though. They're usually about $1,000, even like $2,000, depending on the model. Here I'm trying to put this on, but having a little issue with the strap because I didn't know how to unlock the straps. I asked them to do that. It looks really nice though. I love it. It's, I believe they say it's GMT. Yeah, it looks like it's a GMT. So it's a little bit thicker watch like my Hydro Conquest, but it's smaller. I think it's still 38 millimeter. Yeah, if you have one of the watches from Oak and Oscars, let me know what you think. And we have some merches like hats, travel cases, more straps. They have like a Pokemon G-Shock pre-order section here, which I kind of saw yesterday. This time, didn't see it, so maybe it just sold out the pre-order for the Pokemon G-Shock. Now we are checking out Hamilton. And this is the booth of New York Jewelers. It's a Chicago-based watch retailer in the downtown Chicago. I bought my first Longines from them. So it's their booth and featuring Hamilton. I love these field watches, very cool. I almost bought it, but I need to save some money, so I didn't buy any of these watches, but I love Hamilton. And here's the true GMT automatic movement. Kind of explanation how that works, how it's built. I wish I could work as like a watchmaker. That would be a cool job. And like I said, I couldn't cover all the vendors, but I wanted to show you guys a few of them that I thought was really cool. And this one, MJW. I remember them because they were at the watch fair last year too. They make really interesting dials. They're collaborating with many artists. I thought this one is really, really cool. The downtown Chicago. I love it. And this guy looks like the guy from Marvel, Shumagrath or something. It's really dope. And I also saw this like American 250th year anniversary watch. These are a little bit too much color, too many colors, gimmicks, but it's still fun to watch. And we also have kind of smaller vendors. Milos. So these are cool too. And we have here, so it's another Chicago-based watchmaker. think I've met him at one of the watch meetup in the Chicago last year, and he owns this business himself or something. This looks like a Grand Seiko a little bit, and I like it. This prototype.
I do all the design work, all the assembly work.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. And again, I couldn't show you guys everything, but I still had a great time. Checked out a lot of watches, talked to people. And what's cool about this fair is it's all free. You don't have to pay for the entrance. You get a lot of free like catalog, pamphlet, flyers, things like that. And you know, you might be able to buy a cool watch. Well guys, that was Windup Watch Fest in Chicago. I was gonna buy a Hamilton watch, but I think I'll do a little more research about field watch. Yeah, because I want to get one eventually. So I'll do some research and buy a field watch once I'm gonna wait. Hold on. I'll do more research about field watch, and I'll probably buy one eventually. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.